This is banana. Can you see? This is banana. No, here now. No be saying I cow. I just like small. Show them. I'm planting dey here. And banana dey here. Anytime you come here, you must see something to chop. If I dey around, if it too much like 1 week, if I come here, I go see something dey cut. Na today I cut this one now. You don see it. So you wey be say you get your land, you no understand. Wey be say you never build house for that land, plant like plantain or banana for it. Allah, ten dollar. Any day you go there, you must cut something come carry come home. Like this one now, Lagos now. I go Oshodi the day before yesterday. Like this, na 3,000 dem tell me. No be every day, just like this, na 3,000 dem tell me. Imagine say I wan cut this one, I wan go sell am for market. Shey you know how much I go make? So na that I always tell you about plantain or banana, money dey for inside. No be the thing wey you go, if you say you plant and you go dey apply for chemical abi anything. No, just dey make. See here. You see how you see? You don see it? You go clear inside your everywhere go dey clear. Anytime you come here, come and show them plantain. See one here. I show them another one for there. And she show them for here. Many as we no fit count. Come and see for yourself. You see many. Many. Share my video and follow my page and God bless you. Thank you.